what's going on everybody? This is Joe here, and today I am going to show you how to double wall this house. Guys, so now we have cut the reflex. We are going to put it here and drill some holes and put the rivets. My wife is helping me. Reflex have installed. We are going to do all this wall here, double wall, all of this. Going to be the last one because it's getting late. That guy there, it's going to wait. Guys, I have to end the video, and this place here, I'm going to make a room. I'm going to do a separate video for that, and I'm also going to finish that side, that portion. Tune in for the next video that we are going to do. We're going to make, I don't know how to do it, but I plan to make a semi soundproof room here because this place is really noisy. You can see outside, it's a basketball court. Lots of children are playing and also adults, and they are shouting. If I'm going to record video, the background noise is going to be picked up. So I'm going to plan how to do we cannot do a fully soundproof room, but I will do my best, and I'm going to try a very cheap way to do it. That's it for now, guys. Stay tuned for another video. It's Joe here, signing out.